Hi, I'm Dr. Amanda Turner. Did you know ETS Data Manager offers a variety of reports you can generate which allow you to analyze candidate pass rate data in many different ways? Custom reports allow for valuable data insights and multiple variables that can be used to filter data. Custom reports allows the user to create individualized reports specific to their needs and are organized into projects. A project consists of a group of reports containing tables, charts, and data analyses. While quick reports are reports that have been created for you, custom reports allow you to select specific date ranges or individual administration months, as well as a variety of statistics and variables to allow detailed analyses. All reports and projects are run real-time against data in the main database. Custom reports in EDM provide a user-friendly way to access data and understand how your candidates and programs are performing. Your custom reports experience begins on the Create Project screen, where you will select the criteria to be included in the reports for the project. You can name your project here, and you can rename the project later if needed. Select a test title from the drop-down menu. Once a test name has been selected, options for selecting other criteria will become available. The next option is to select which group or groups of test takers you wish to report on in your project. You can select one or more groups of test takers from the state, agency, institution list. If you hover over the institution name or group, you can see a description of which test takers will be included. After you select the groups you want to include in your report, you have a choice of selecting a date range or selecting one or more individual months. The default date range is September of the current testing year through the current month and is inclusive. To select administration dates using a date range, click the radio button to the left of Select by Date Range. Select the month and year to begin the date range and the month and year to end the date range using the drop-down menus. You can select any valid date range. The Variables section contains a list of all the different variables that you can apply to a project. Custom Reports contains variables representing all the biographical information questions from the test registration form, as well as several custom created variables such as test taken count or attempt number. You must select at least one variable, and variables can be selected in any combination. The next section asks the user to make selections that will apply to all results within the project. Test taker attempts refer to the scores achieved by a test taker within the time frame selected in the criteria section. You can choose to view test taker's first score, best attempt, most recent score, or all scores. The final section of the Create Project page allows you to select the statistics to apply to all reports generated in the project. You must select at least one statistic to include in reports, and you can select up to 3 statistics to include. Once your project is created, you may change the statistics in the individual reports. After selecting statistics, you create the project to see your reports and edit them as needed. You can also save this project to use again. You will find your saved projects under My Projects. This is helpful in case you want to run the same project at different times of the year or each year. With custom reports, you can take a deep dive into your data, allowing for valuable data insights and reporting capabilities. If you'd like to schedule a training or need more information, contact your Director of Educational Partnerships or reach out to the email on this screen.